Hello, my name is Gregorio Feliciano, and this is my presentation. The impacts of COVID-19 on IT. At NecessIT, we offer a variety of IT infrastructure services tailored towards businesses of all types of footprints, whether it be a smaller office or branch to a robust warehouse, distribution center, or corporate office space. These services include IT installation, troubleshooting, space renovations, and consultations to better define the dynamic of the need for our clients. We also offer specialized services such as infrastructure design, powered POS systems, telephony systems, which include analog, digital, and IT-based services. And with the recent demand for video teleconferencing, NecessIT is a trusted integrator for various VTC systems that can be deployed in your workspace. COVID-19 impacted businesses nationwide and turned most businesses who operated out of typical office space settings into remote-based work structures. This change happened so fast that the many businesses were left scrambling, trying to determine the best solution for operating businesses remotely while still driving the same performance of in-person work environments. Other businesses felt that the loss of corporate space would be too great and opted to mitigate risks to health by creating safer and healthier spaces for workers, but this still required remediation to existing infrastructure. There are a variety of offerings that are available to corporations and businesses, however, that will still provide the same amount of protection for the workers and adjust where needed to better suit this changing work environment. Collaboration areas are becoming prevalent in in-person workspaces, while other companies are sending employees home to work from their company-issued laptops through their means of accessing relevant data through cloud-based software. Whether it be used for greater performing cloud-based systems or video teleconferencing, there are still needs that have to be verified on the back end of any company's IT infrastructure to determine if it's capable of supporting these services or if changes are required. Collaboration areas are a great solution for businesses that want to continue utilizing their corporate real estate. This option splits existing space into more structured spacing with the colleagues' safety in mind, allowing them to have individualized space while still being able to work closely to a group or team of other colleagues. With these changes, however, it is likely that a complete renovation of existing IT infrastructure will be needed to make sure that services are available to all colleagues in these specialized areas. Some businesses have opted to close office locations and send employees home to work remotely, but this option is not without its technical requirements. Most remote employees are set up on personal home networks and require additional security added to protect work assets on public networks of these types, and additional resources may be required at data centers to support the higher demand of remotely accessing corporate data through cloud-based software. Video teleconferencing has become the new norm in most businesses, while still allowing for a more personal face-to-face meeting, but without all the additional hassle of travel events. These systems are readily available for all business lines in all forms of working environments, and with a specialized installer, can be easily set up to allow seamless communication between teams, colleagues, clients, and internal corporate communications. There are generally some additional services that will be needed to be considered for these types of systems, but through the surveying and consultation, integrators such as NecessIT can have a full solution built and deployed with ease to support these types of business settings. Cloud-based software is becoming the new standard in its ability to allow access to employees from anywhere with an internet connection, but also due to the additional security and management services utilized by the software. These types of programs allow for archiving of data, so there are no accidental deletions of data, and protect the integrity of the business's processes through remote management. Additionally, most current PCs are able to utilize these cloud-based services with ease and minimal physical changes required. Servers are generally the most overlooked IT infrastructure component to most project managers for IT renovation projects. But any IT department will tell you how critical these are to the successful implementation of these services previously mentioned. NecessIT has a vast experience with upgrading and modifying servers and data centers, and are able to assist with these changes to support increases to corporate real estate spaces, as well as increasing bandwidth for remote access to cloud-based systems from remote users. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I do have some questions that you can answer. Do you work from home? How has your business been affected by COVID-19? How has IT technology transformed your working experience? What could be done to improve your working experience further? Thank you.